Okay, I had to make a video of how to get the circlip in. So you want the gap of the circlip up, and it works okay to start there because then you can use this gap later on. But you need something to back up the circlip as you're winding it in. So you put the first corner on the far side there. You put the wrist pin in on the back side, and then you use this little 13 socket, and you put it also on the back side. So you sit it down on the wrist pin, and then that's when you start forcing your circlip around. I was using also this little piece of cardboard here, sitting it down on the piston like that. I got it off of a razor, and you put it under this end so that it doesn't gouge up your piston, even though I didn't do that at the beginning. And you slowly work, so using that wrist pin as the back, you force it in with your fingers first, your thumbs, you roll it in as tight and as hard as possible, and you get it somewhat flat, and that wrist pin is a good backer. So you set this whole thing on top of the socket. Then you just come in with a little screwdriver and slowly push it down. I did one here, and then another one here, and now I'm almost done. I just got this last little bit left, and I'm just gonna push it down again and force it all the way into the groove. And if I didn't really emphasize it enough, you're rolling, in the very beginning, you're rolling the circlip as much as you can with your fingers. You roll it in there, and then it kind of flattens out, and then it won't really gouge anymore because it's not like jamming into this. But you're keeping it flat with the wrist pin on the back, and you're rolling it in to get it as flat as possible, and then you're in a good spot to kind of hold it as you, with your right finger, your right thumb, and then you can take your little screwdriver and come in and mash it down. Then I'm gonna go by and clean these up afterwards because I kind of screwed it up, but that's all.